Okay, ladies, let's try.
Okay. Delicious.
This is first time they're trying my carrot cake.
That's really good, actually. It's really good.
It's not very sweet, is it?
No.
Yeah.
More than one.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel again. Today we're going to make arguably the best carrot cake in Charlotte, North Carolina. But if you are here first time, I would like to welcome you and I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button so you will be notified about our upcoming cooking tips and recipes. So let's get started.
Okay, ladies, let's try.
Okay. Delicious.
This is first time they're trying my carrot cake.
That's really good, actually. It's really good.
It's not very sweet, is it?
No.
Yeah.
More than one bite to tell you.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat half of this.
It goes well with wine, right?
Very well with wine.
Okay.
That's really good, actually.
Is it moist? I mean,
Very moist.
Is
Yes.
it?
Very moist, not too sweet. And you can taste the hints of the carrot.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
The sweet is really good.
It's perfect.
Very good.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Very good.
Okay.